Hey, Abby. This is a totally normal position and I'm not flexing at all. Hey, baby girl. You okay? Are you okay?
How to get a girl for a date or Netflix and chill with Travis.
You okay? No, I'm not okay. Travis and I, we made out kind of aggressively.
Clarify?
And then I put his hand on my...
breasts?
No, lower.
Oh.
America, I don't know what to do. It's like the logic goes out of my head. If I go back in there, I'm not going to be able to stop myself.
Did she really made out with Travis? It means to kinda kiss him? No way. I do remember that Abby hated Travis.
I don't like you. Leave me alone. You're not going to let this go, are you?
I'll pick you up at 8.
Well, he's more rude than these things, and he used this phrasal verb. Pick someone up. This is a separable phrasal verb. You can say pick her up, or pick you up, or pick them up. But the conventional meaning is to stop at someone's house or whenever they might be and give them a ride somewhere.
This is a totally normal position and I'm not flexing at all.
Oh my god. Every time I see this guy, I just remember this randomly.
Hey, Hardin, good to see you. How you been? Fucking Trevor!
Well, fucking Trevor said, I'm not flexing at all. Means to show that you're very proud or happy about something you have done or something you own. But most of the time, men use this to bend an arm, leg, or show off their muscles. Oh, but he really messed up. Only because of a misunderstanding?
Guys! Oh, hold on. Hey, where the hell have you been?
Out.
Jesus, you reek of alcohol.
The hell. People sometimes use the hell for emphasize in questions after words such as what, where, and why, often in order to express anger. For instance, where the hell have you been? Why the hell should I know about Mike? What the hell's going on?
Hey, where the hell have you been?
Out.
Jesus, you reek of alcohol.
Well, you see, he's reek of alcohol. It means a person has drunk so much alcohol that you can smell it on their breath or clothes.
No way. That's terrible. Well, I misinterpreted that.
Misinterrupted. Maybe it's a little hard for you to pronounce this, but practice with. Misinterrupted. This is past simple and past participle of misinterrupt. Means to form an understanding that is not correct or you just get it wrong. This is so bad.
That's great news.
Is it great news? Travis, you invaded my privacy and then you turned around and ghosted me? Goodbye.
To invade someone's privacy. If someone or something invades your privacy, they interfere in your life without your permission. Oh, Travis checked Abby's message and turned around. Used when talking about something that someone says, especially when they say it in a very direct way without worrying about people's reaction. And he also ghosted her. Ghosting is when someone who used to be friendly or even romantic with you suddenly cuts off all communication without explanation.
Abby, wait. I'm sorry. I was jealous. I messed up.
Don't you think that it's just too late to understand that you messed up? It means to make a mistake or do something incorrectly. For example, I messed up on my first date. Well, thanks for watching. These 2 videos are for you. Watch and improve your vocab.